This is the thing which I bought from uh, Gizmobaba.com. It's amazing gizmo from the amazing Baba. Innovation, research and delivered. They say that this item takes nearly half liter of water. It's a linen. I didn't break it actually. I didn't open it till now. I'm just opening it. It's two pieces for 500 rupees. Two pieces they are given. 490 rupees I have paid, and one piece almost. It's like it's not a linen. It's a paper, or I don't know what it is. I can't even recognize it. What it is? Let's see. So I'm just going to try this on my car. I washed my car and there's a lot of water on top of it. I hope you can see this. So now I'm going to use this what do we say, so cold item. So let's see how it will be working. I'm just keeping it on top of it. Let's see that. See the difference where I have rubbed and where the water is staying. I hope you can see the difference. It's not so water pulling thing. Still, it takes a little of water. Almost good. Takes good. So on the glass you can see some water, the reflection. Yeah, just keeping it here. So this. I think I'll have to. Once it is wet, it's difficult, I think so. See, this is going, but it's almost like a cloth only. It's not pulling as much water there as they advertise. I don't see it. Once you take water on car, or I don't know whether it is not fit for what car or not. Let's see. Yes, we'll just take this out. Let's see. Now I done this taking out of the water from my car. Usually it takes me nearly 25 minutes to take all the water off, but now with this I just took it within 5 to 10 minutes, and result is excellent. Water, it pulls out water properly, and you can squeeze it. I'll show you when I'll show you one demo also, so that you can understand. This product is awesome, and what I must say is everybody should take this, because this is one of the best thing to take for the cars. It's really good. I must say it's really good.